kidding about being that way, Claire. Sorry. Sometimes I feel like I make jokes on stream and I'm being deadpan and it's not entirely clear. But I was joking, Claire. But yes, we are. So I think maybe your mom is vegetarian. Growing up, she had her own knives, pans, tasted her such a pain. Oh, Blady, really? All right, let's wash this because it was dirty. Hydrate, thanks, Reno. It would be hard to give up either as a pescatarian, yeah. All right, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar. I wish I knew where my measuring spoons were. I've lost them all, except for my half teaspoon measure. It's really not that helpful, honestly, of a measure. Oh, gosh. Somebody's been putting them in the wrong drawer. Somebody has been putting them in the wrong drawer. Sorry, Ios isn't even here. I'm talking to Ios, but she's not even here. It's okay, you guys. It wasn't you. It wasn't you. It was Ios. Beans and rice are good. Bread is and everything good. Yes, golden egg for sure. Need a magnetic set on your range hood. Jody, that's too smart. That's too smart. Get out. Too smart. All right, 1 tablespoon. 2/3 of a cup olive oil. Whenever he puts groceries away, it's a scavenger hunt to find them in the kitchen. All right, 2/3 of a cup olive oil. 6 to 9 fillets of anchovies. So I get these packed in olive oil, and I like to rinse them so they're not all like fucking olive oily. Oh my god, Jody, that's so funny. That's so funny.